since we're talking about air suspensions, now let's talk about WAPCO compressors.
We are having a blast right here at the ZF booth. Of course, it's listen, no matter how technical you are, you can't get away without celebrating beer and pretzels, and it's just amazing. Here at Apex, I mean, you got a smorgasbord of technology, but more importantly, the good people behind the scenes, whether it's our engineers or our great technical trainers. Mr. Francisco Moreno, how are you?
Hey guys, good, how are you?
Good. I figured, you know what? You got a lot of stuff in this booth. I say we give it a tour, but first let the people know, what do you do with ZF here in North America?
So right now I'm the North America training manager. Of course, when it comes down to responsible for training development here in the United States and of course Mexico.
Nice. Well, let's take a tour. I'm going to follow your lead.
Flex clutch is an OE fit and form of coverage is really high up there. And why does it leak prematurely? For multiple reasons. For one, there's a lot of technicians that use pliers to actually hold on to the rod. For one. Two, the quality of the product. There's a seal right behind it on top of it. That the quality, this little rod here is not chrome polished properly, it will cause an issue with the seal, which will actually cause it to leak. Tire rod. Of course, it's one of our TRW chassis lamp order line, and it's a completely sealed unit, as we call it. As you see, there's no grease fitting on it. But if you keep in mind, the OEMs have been completely without a grease fitting since 1985. It is specifically designed with electronic power steering. It gives you low friction behind it. So that low friction that we're not used to back in the days, so it's so stiff, it is to ensure that the electronic steering actually moves properly when it is designed to do so. So you're gonna see a huge coverage in the market. We have the OE heritage, we have the OE pedigree, and once again it comes down to putting the OE quality behind it. Something new out in the market, which was recently announced. It's here, it's out there. Air suspension along with shock absorbers, of course they get along. But now, since we're talking about air suspensions, now let's talk about WAPCO compressors.
Okay, let's do it.
WAPCO compressors are literally, it's right here. We are the OE, you are getting the OE quality. When it comes down to it, air suspension, you'll see it on Land Rovers, Kias, you name it. This is one of my favorite topics. I've been talking about it for a while, at a high level, but when it comes down to it, it's not just a simple control arm that we are used to. How do we remove control arms today? We actually grab a hammer it out, right? Well, look at it. It has a control, it has an actual sensor behind it. That sensor is replacing your ride height sensor. As you're driving down the road, it's going to be adjusting your height to ensure that you have a comfortable ride as you go down the road.
That's amazing. Ride height, chassis, steering, suspension, clutches, shocks, struts, it goes on. And Francisco Moreno, it is awesome to have you with ZF.
It's always a pleasure.
Let the folks know, where can they find technical training with North American ZF?
Guys, you guys can log into the ZF training, zftrainings.com, or you can always find me on Facebook as Francisco Aftermarket Trainer. Be more than happy to guide you to the proper page or be able to help you with any help that you might need.
Unsung heroes or trainers. Good to see you.
Good to see you, my man.
Very good. All right, there you have it. ZF, North America, having a good time. Make sure that you check out our show notes. They're going to be down in the links there. Lots of great training. Next time you're in the market for some great suspension components or clutches or even window regulators, you guys know where to go. Check out the links below. We'll catch you next time.